The homegrown solution Accelerator was launched in response to Africa's reliance on external health systems, a challenge exposed during the COVID-19 pandemic. It is implemented by the African Union Development Agency, AUDA-NEPAD, and TICAD in partnership with BCG and Build Grow Africa.
Revital Healthcare is one of the largest medical device manufacturers on the African continent.
So Revital has been one of our suppliers, especially for the consumables that we use. Currently, we're really using a lot of their syringes, needles, and the point-of-care test kits for malaria and HIV.
The Accelerator supports African-led health ventures with the potential to strengthen health systems across the continent. HGS provides tailored technical support, builds strategic partnerships, and connects startups to investors.
The HGX Accelerator provided us with a lot of support. It was a pivotal moment at Revital because it was at the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2021. We were focused so much on just the manufacturing aspect to provide accessible and affordable products to the rest of the African continent, but we knew that we needed to scale up production. That's where the HGX Accelerator came through.
What drew us to the homegrown solution Accelerator that is supported by JICA is the fact that they were focusing on an industry that we are very passionate about, and they also offered us the type of support that we needed. That is, how do we understand the markets that we need to go into? How do we identify those markets? How do we prioritize the markets that we want to go into? And then secondly, they also helped us in the capital resourcing aspect by preparing us to go speak to investors, and more importantly, building for us the data stack that we needed to speak to those investors. And that really helped us in the fundraising process because we are able to secure capital on the basis of that documentation that was prepared for us.
Supporting African companies through HGS, we are impressed to witness that many innovative solutions already exist. Through the experience of the pandemic, African companies became more resilient and even expand innovations to other countries.
We have been able to speak to investors from Japan, and they have been quite instrumental in not just access to capital, but also access to other opportunities from companies and collaborations with institutions from Japan as well.
It's not just Revital that benefited through these different types of collaborations, but the technologies that Japan has, the advanced manufacturing that they have, the scientific developments that they create, as well as the efficiencies that they can provide to skills across Africa are so key.
To date, HGS-supported companies have collectively reached over 23 million patients, created over 6,000 jobs, and raised more than $70 million in capital, proving that African-led innovation, when backed strategically, delivers real, scalable health system impact.